Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to apply to be a Realtor member. First off, you'll go ahead and log in to gifar.org, gifar.org/join. You can now see on the screen where we put that in. So you scroll to the bottom of the screen. It talks about how to set up a member portal account. After you've done that, you come back here to the screen and it says join as a Realtor member. You click on that. Here is the application. It's a series of questions. So go ahead and fill out each and every one of those. Then go ahead and click submit. You get this thank you message. And here it says that your application is not complete without this next step. Sometimes people forget to click here. So come up to this next one where it says click here to continue to process your dues. That takes you to the actual payment page. Here it shows the costs that are associated with it. And it has a guideline here for brokers. It talks about everyone needing to be members within your office. And it explains the process when late fees are assessed. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out here where the contact information is. So depending on the month that you join and depending on your member status, let's say that you're a brand new member and you're joining in April. So if that's the case, right here, it shows what the fees would be for April and the total amount. And that's before the $100 application fee and the convenience fee for taking a credit card. So if you would like to, you may always call the association office and request a code. There are two different codes that are available. One that would remove RPAC if you're not wanting to contribute or invest in RPAC, which we strongly encourage you to do so. The second thing would be to modify those dues amount. If you don't get those modified before you submit, all payments are non-refundable. So depending on what you pay, that would stay there. So down here at the bottom, if you'd like to enter a coupon code right here to reduce that, you may do so and click apply. There's also another code here that you could enter. And down below would be your registration form. So you fill out your name, etc. Your email address. Here you can click if you'd like to get a text notification once you submit this. Here's some additional information that you can put in if you know. If your license state, if it's Idaho, put in ID, your license number, a nickname if you go by it. You can fill out this other information. That's really not my birth date. If you have a website, here is where you select your payment type. For example, if you're going to mail in a check, go ahead and fill out check here, and then you can put in the check number off to the right. If you're going to use a credit card, click credit card. Once you've done that, adds the information that you're going to be able to enter your credit card number. Here's where the credit card number goes in. It adds it towards the top. Then you'll need to put in the credit card number, your month, expiration date, and the CW number on the back. Once you've done that, then you're able to click submit. I'm going to change it for this instance to say check. And then I'll click submit. So after you've done that and made your payment, it will send you an email knowing that you paid it, and here's your receipt as well. Okay. If you have any additional questions, we're more than happy to answer them. You can contact us here at the Greater Idaho Falls Association of Realtors.